Hey, what's up guys, it's Daniel here. Today I'll be showing you how to create your own watermark. But first of all, what do we mean by watermark? These are transparent images or logo icons you can use to differentiate your work from other people. So each graphics designer has their own watermark, their logo that they use so that everybody can know that this work belongs to so person, and there won't be any sort of piracy or copyright or whatsoever. So today's tutorial will be using Pixellab to create a watermark, and I'll also be importing it on a picture using PixArt. So without further philandering, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Pixellab. Alright, so let's just get started. Okay, so I want to change this text. Alright, okay, and another thing, okay, let me just copy this. Alright, so I'll change this one to no. Alright, so yeah, something like this. And what I want to do now is I want to change the font. Can't leave it like this. And like never. Okay, so let's use something thick and bold. Let me just use my fonts. Now, yeah, this one will do. Okay, and I want to change this one also to face bold, which is the recent face buff. Alright, so once that is done, what we want to do is we want to go to our shape to create a new shape. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, and okay, I'll use this one. Okay, so let's rotate it. Okay, I want it to be in between these two here. Alright, so I want to drag this one here like this. No, that's too. Okay, so something like this is okay. But then I want to bring it down a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so let's go on. I want to change this color. I want to change it so it can look, so they don't need to tell you what we are doing before you get the idea. So let's change this one red, radiant. Let's see, radiant. Nah, I'll just use, yeah, let me use something like this. I like this. Okay, so now what do we want to do? Let's go click on it and go to your mouse tool here. Now I want to just drag out like this. Just follow my step, follow my lead. Okay, yeah, something like this. And I want to just, yep. Okay, and I want to repeat the same thing for this one too. Just want to max out the edge. That is what I'm trying to do here. Okay. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Something like, alright. Now you want to enable this to, and yep, this is how. Okay, and now the last thing I want to do is I want to change this background to transparent one. Yes. Okay, now I can go like this, and I can just merge everything together. Yep, and I can drag it anywhere I want. Okay, so I want to add a photo icon. Let's just call it that. You can download this online by just searching for camera.png, and yep, you're good to go. So I'll save this and I'll reduce the size. You can even put it here if you want. Yes, that's something I can do. You can put it here. It's looking good. So now you want to just go ahead and save it. Let's save as image. Make sure it's in PNG format, then change the dimension. If you want, I'll be using ultra. Alright. So once that is done, you can go into your gallery to check what you've done. And yes, it's looking. Now I want to open up Pixellab, and let's go to our photo first. So for example, okay, so all you have to do is you want to go to add photo. Don't forget to save it as PNG so it will be transparent now. Alright, so as you can see, and I can put it anywhere. You can even resize it as much as you want. Yeah, something like this, and you can adjust, add effects, but I'm between that. So yeah, okay. So yes, that is how to create a watermark using Pixellab and any photo editing application you have. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and please subscribe if you've not done. Smash that like button if this has helped you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.